This year we are really proud to be at the WAC and SESAR, together with all its different partners, has delivered a new batch of solutions to modernize the air traffic management system. This is basically what we are presenting. We are organized about 16 different tours where our visitors can witness the developments that have been made over the last year and showing in different places among the different partners of the SESAR Joint Undertaking the technologies that has been delivered and the new solutions that can be implemented to modernize the air traffic management system. This year it's as well for us an opportunity to present the work that we have conducted on the architecture of the European airspace, where basically we are combining technology and operations and how the European airspace is organized to progressively improve the performance of the overall system.